Yeah, you're online.
Okay, so over these last 2 years, I can definitely say that my perspective on English has shifted a lot. I learned to approach, tasks, like English tasks without this English rules of grammar again. And I definitely learned how to think logically, because that's what I was probably lacking.
As if you were like, come on, you were not thinking logically.
Well, I wasn't thinking logically enough. I mean,
What do you mean?
like, I had a weird logic, so.
Like, how do you know that you had a weird logic?
Well, I was operating more on my intuition than like on facts, and I can definitely say that SAT preparation helped me to, kind of operate facts, not just rely on my intuition. Like, oh, well, I feel like this is the answer. That's what I did before, and I don't do it now. And also, I mean, come on, I now talk a lot more, kind of. Oopsie.
Whoa, I'm sorry.
And I say that now I talk a lot more clearly, and I learn to express my thoughts more clearly. Because I used to be all like, ooh, very nebulous.
That's an SAT word, nebulous, right?
Nebulous,
yeah.
Yes.
And that's high five.
Yay!
Cool.
I learned how to express myself. I learned how to not be vague when writing. I would write these 300-word, like 500-word essays, and they were completely meaningless. And now I write 500-word essays that are meaningful, that really convey a specific idea, and this idea is conveyed clearly. Yeah, so these 2 years have been life-changing for me because
I'm so flattered. Thank you so much for saying that.
Oh, that's because I got admitted to a university in New York, and I really.
Yeah, tell us more about that.
Well, I got a scholarship, so they cover 90% of my education. So I only have to pay like 10% of my tuition and like living expenses and like food expenses and stuff, but it's still like a great plus. And also I'm going to learn like neuroscience, and that's what I realized that I want to learn. And part of it was part of my like decision on what to learn was the fact that like my mind works differently now, and I can now assess every like task more efficiently. So over these 2 years, English, my SAT preparation helped me think more clearly, and that played a big role in my decision on like what to study. So now I'm gonna study neuroscience in New York. So thank you so much, because I don't know where I would be now if I didn't have my English classes. Yay, that's pretty much all.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my God.